Okay, this is going to be, we're going to get down this way in a little bit, and there's a big dog market down there. So let's just start right here where the outside walls are at. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Did I say dog market? I mean dog races. Sorry, dog races. So we have this kind of theme, and I think we're just going to focus on some of the wall, and then we're going to get to the actual dog races themselves, which are no longer here. They're closed. But this is kind of cool because they have this kind of Angkor Wat look to the walls and all the details. The baboon waterfall up there. It's kind of like Portuguese-ish railings. Okay, kind of cool. So yeah, this one has a little bit of an Egyptian theme. So I guess these look like more like Egyptian dogs, but I can see this, or a mix of it could also be like Angkor Wat movement a little bit, but then this is more clearly Egyptian looking. So yeah, kind of some interesting stuff. So let's just kind of follow this wall and just see what else we can see here. Got all these kind of things, and then you got kind of an Angkor Wat looking thing up there too. I have posted here before. I have filmed here, but I'm doing it with a lot more detail of the artwork. And I think last time I basically walked all the way down and I filmed these giant apartments way down there. So if I can, I'll try to link it at the bottom here. But actually these trees are kind of cool because this is an Angkor Wat kind of thing. But actually you see this a lot in Macau too. But these are actually artwork here. So if I tap on it, you can hear the hollowness, I think. I don't hear it, but it definitely feels like cement. We're gonna follow so you can see where we're at a little bit. And then we're gonna get into the entrance, which is right here. And let's see how much of it we can see. We'll walk down a little bit, and then we can maybe see it from the far left, which should be right here. So this is the ticket booth before, and now you can see people that are way in there. You can see them kind of running around a track. So that track used to be dog races, and there's another element to it too. And then if you can see this up here, you can actually walk all the way up to that top of that mountain up there. So I did film up there before as well, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, this used to be the dog races, and this was here for decades, I think, and then it just shut down maybe about a year ago. But anyways, this is what it used to look like. Okay.